Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today we are going to solve exercise 2.4, question number 3, that is about simplifying some of these expressions given to us. So, you can see these exponents it has, but the bases are same, they are dividing. So whenever they are multiplying, we were adding the powers, but in this case when they are dividing, we will subtract the denominator power from the numerator one. So 7 is to power 2 is left. If it is required to show your answer in exponential form, so this is okay. But if they are asking for solving it, so or the radical form, then we take 7 sevens are 49. And same is the case here. First express it in a prime and prime factorization, both are in prime numbers, but this is composite. So we will split 2 5s are 10 here, 2 is to power 4 multiply, this dot is for multiplication, and here we can see 2 5s are 10 is to power 2. So separately we will write the power. 2 is to power 4 with 5 power 3, 2 is to power 2 with 5 is to power 2. So same powers going. 2 is to power 4 when this is dividing. So we will subtract the denominator from the numerator, and 5 is to power 3 to be subtracted from the 2 will be subtracted from the 3. So the resultant is 2 is to power 2 to be multiplied with 5 is to power 1. 1 generally we don't write, and 2 2s are 4, with the 5 it become 4 5s are 20, and that's the answer. Now the next question, you can see it has two expressions, one this, another one is this, having both the bases same. So to the greater power we will take the lesser one, and a plus b is the base with 2, subtracting 1 from the numerator 2, and multiply with the c plus d having power 3, subtracting 2 from it. Then what we will get? A plus b power 1 generally we don't write. So c plus d power 1 either we will not write this one even. And here this is given and we have to sort it out, and this means it's a cube root of a cube root, and already it has square root on the top of it. The two roots are gonna multiply with each other, and what is the resultant? Numerator together 1 1s are 1, and the denominator together 3 2s are 6. So even we can write it in radical form with the sixth root of a, or in exponential form in this way. Now in this again the x is to power 5 with the fifth root means power 1 by 5, and here x with the 4 power with the fourth root they will cancel. So x power 1 into x power 1 power gonna add because they are multiplying. So 1 plus 1 x become square. Now the last question from question number 4, as we are asked to express it in some non-negative exponents. So, and we have to sort it out. It is 5 5s is 25 and 9 9s are 81, whole is to power 1 by 2. So join 5 by 9, it's the joint power is 2, and 1 by 2 as well. This will interact and we will get 5 by 9 with power 1, which we don't write, and that's all. Hope you understood these questions and like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.